one leaf left. Can we do it? Oh yeah! Beautiful day. Almost full of peppers, chili peppers. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Hey, the boy! Come on, boy! Where you going, boy? Damn cat. 50mm 101 door. 50mm 101 door. Yeah, at the park. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Number 169 today, man. September 24th, 2022. It's around 1:51 on a Thursday. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, on Thursday, 1:51. About 85 degrees today, man. Yeah, so gotta go around, practice some frontside kick turns, and hopefully get that frontside axle stall, you know. So probably gonna do it. I've been trying it on this little skinny thing first, and then just back and forth on the quarter pipe and the bank, and the bank on the other side. So that's pretty much what we're gonna do today. Weird, man, how hard it is to do this kick turn. For some reason, my body don't want to do kick turns. Backside. Backside. Tell you the truth, okay. So, my mind's not there right now. So what happened was Thursday. Today's Saturday, okay? So Thursday I was out here. Usually, you know, filming my little Instagram clips on my phone. For some reason, the sound cuts off at 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, exactly those kind of time. So I do like a 3 minute, 20 seconds. As soon as it hits 3 minutes, my volume just shut off. So then, it's like, fuck it. So I was bummed I didn't make a video Thursday. I got everything set up. So then I filmed 3, 10 minutes, everything is up to 10 minutes, it was still volume. So then I came today and I filmed like 4 minutes, just me setting up the ramps and everything, and it was working fine all the way like 4 minutes, 5 minutes. But then when I go to record, as soon as it hit like 3 minutes and 20 seconds, I was watching the video over and got to like exactly 3 minutes, the volume just shut off. So I was like, all right, I'll just do a quick video then. Then I did the Instagram like 3 times, just, you know, fucking around, well, the usual. And then 2 minutes, 20 seconds, exactly 2 minutes, it cut off. 3 minute cut off, 2 minutes. So I was like, well, I'll do just like less than 2 minutes then. So I do 1 minute, 25 seconds. As soon as it hit 1 minute, fucking volume cut off. So I end up, so this is so I'm using an Android phone and the fucking camera that comes with it. Never happened, nothing ever happened until the fucking shit updated the other day. Like, I think it was Wednesday, it was updating. And as soon as that shit updated, they got fucked up. So I ended up using the iPhone, I guess it's the iPhone 8. So, but I don't have any data, so usually I upload the shit right now because I have the data for the phone. So I don't have it, so I made the video on this one. The thing with the iPhone is it zooms in a little bit, so I'm kind of like this close. Instead of this close. On the other phone, I'm used to standing this close. But it's like that, right? It zoom in, and so I mean I'll get so I did like a 2 minute and 30 seconds. Of course, the video works on the fucking iPhone. It should be like the fucking Android. So now so this whole time, the phone's been bugging me. That's why when I'm skating, I'm not even like, my mind is not clear, you know. So it's not even like communicating with my body and my legs. So that's why you see me. I'm just like having a hard time just doing a kick turn, you know. So it seems like it's working out, because now I feel like a little bit better now that I let that out. Letting you know why, like I said, man, you know, you have to have your mental really clear, and that's what happened. And it sucks because you know, I mean, I'm usually just, you know, something that usually like quick, you know what I mean, like 2-3 minutes, 5 minutes the most, load it, set it and forget it, and it turns out to be like a fucking chores. You know, that's why I love technologies, but I hate it because every time they do something fucks up, you know, and it's like, and I can't figure out why. I thought it was the phone. I thought maybe the phone was old. It's not that old, but I thought it was like, you know, maybe the mic, I dropped it too many times or something. I even took the cover off. I thought, but it never happened before, man. I just upload it, set it and forget it, like I said before. But now it's like, if you do a minute and something, it shuts off at a minute. If you do 2 minutes and something, it shuts off at 2 minutes. You do 3 minutes something, it shuts off at 3 minutes. It's weird, man. I don't know. So anyway, that's pretty much it on my mind. So now I guess we can try to do the trick. Maybe I'll just roll around and then, you know, maybe do a couple kick turns like backside, get my confidence back up and clear my mind. And yeah, man, it's weird. Like, skateboarding is weird, man. I guess it's like any other physical stuff, you know. You gotta clear your mind. Yeah. I don't think it's gonna happen, man. I just keep thinking about the fucking phone, the phone, the phone. Yeah, my body's... I'm not even thinking about skateboarding, man. So today's video is just gonna be a mental block, I guess. That's what the video is gonna be called. You know? If I can't clear my mind, I can't skateboard. I don't know, it's weird. It bothers me, man. Like, I want to solve it. Like, I don't know. Maybe it's some OCD thing. But it bothers me a lot that it does that. So I'm probably going to, let's see. Maybe I was thinking film with the phone. You know, like I'm doing an Instagram. But then we'll watch the footage to let you see what I'm talking about, you know? So I think we'll do that. We'll film it with the phone. Like I'm gonna do an Instagram video. Okay? We'll do like a minute and something first. Okay? And then and let you see how I do my Instagram video. Alright, so we're gonna set it up. So this is the one I did earlier today. So we'll go to gallery. See, 1 minute 25 seconds. We'll watch that one real quick. Okay, play the video. Turn your volume up. Play the video. Hey, what's up, Instagram? Number 169, man. So that's the one I did today. Unknown error has occurred. I don't know what that means. Maybe because I'm using shitty, I'm using pretty good SD card. Okay, so far 31 seconds, 32. Yeah, we'll put this. What's up, Instagram? Number 169, man. So 42. Beautiful day. Today is September 24th, 2022. It's 1:33 right now. Yeah, so 1:33. Beautiful 85 degrees. See? Almost a minute. See? Volume just cut off. See it? Yeah. What's up, Instagram? Number 169, man. Ooh, beautiful day. Today is September 24th, 2022. It's 1:33 right now. Yeah, so 1:33. Beautiful 85 degrees. See? 109, 110, 11, 12. Still talking. Yeah. So then if I do like 2 minutes, over 2 minutes, and it gets to 2 minutes, it just shuts off like that. And same thing when I do 3 minutes, it'll shut off at 3 minutes. I don't know, man. I don't. So I was thinking maybe, like I guess I do it, and then I guess just let it run for like a whole minute. I guess me just standing there the whole minute, and then get it past the next minute, and then trim the video back. You shouldn't have to do that shit, you know? But I think that's what I have to do, so. Anyway. So yeah, man. When you got mental block, it's hard to enjoy skateboarding. So so I don't know what the title is gonna be. I was gonna put mental block, but I guess I could say, I don't know. Yeah, mental block, just keep it simple. Anyway, man, thanks for watching, you know, always. We'll come back tomorrow, so I think I'm gonna do is, I think I'm gonna try that. So I'm gonna do is set the timer here. So I was thinking, set the timer to every time 1 minute beeps, okay, it's going to give me a warning. That way I know it's 1 minute. And then do my tricks, whatever, and I listen another, you know, warning, 2, 3 warning, and then after the 3rd warning, I can just let it go. I don't know. Kinda sucks, you know? You have to do that shit. But I don't know why it does that shit, man. You know? So it bothers me, and that stops me from skateboarding, you know? So mental block. Sometimes you got them, sometimes you don't. So I guess that's how I'm gonna do my video. You know what I mean? Like, edit it. I mean, just let it keep. After I shut off, say thanks to what, but enjoy, and I would just like, we could do that now, I guess. Let's try it now. Let's see if it works. All right, let's try it. Okay, so we're gonna do 1 minute, but then we're gonna do 2 minutes, and then see if it shuts off. Down here, so I gotta do it down here. What's up, Instagram? Number 169, man. Yeah, alright, let's see it. Alright, man, what's up, Instagram? Yeah, man, awesome. We're gonna be down here, so alright, whatever. Today, you know, September 22nd, and yeah, I mean 24th, 2022, 85 degrees. Today's Saturday. Keep on rolling. Alright, always have fun. You don't have to see me have fun, just see me quit. Thanks for watching. Keeping the underground lit for you and me. Right now it's 2:30 something. Alright, enjoy. Okay, so when it beeps, that means it's gonna be 2 minutes. So, okay, the volume should go down in 2 minutes. So we're gonna see. All right, let's check it out. All right, so let's see. Go to gallery. Videos right there, 216. Put the volume on. Play the video. Come on, you fucking technologies. And my thumb's cut too, so shit ain't working. So we're gonna do 1 minute, but then we're gonna do 2 minutes, and then see if it shuts off. Okay, play the video. We got the fuck? What happened? Play. Down here, so I gotta put down here. What's up, Instagram? Number 169, man. Yeah, alright, let's see it. So we're gonna go roll around. Fucking bullshit. Yeah, so I gotta get a timer, check my time. So far it's 58. So 1 minute, still got volume. Cause we went over 216, right? Alright, let's go. Alright, man, what's up, Instagram? Yeah. Nope. Fucking shit cut off at 126. Yeah, see? Cut off the same time as last time. We went over 2 minutes. 146. Fuck. 151, 52, 53, 54. Okay, so like shut up at 2 minutes. 222. I don't know, man. Yeah, it shuts up at 125 now. Just like the other video. It's like the other fucking video. Yeah. Just like this one. Shuts up at 125. Hey, what's up? It's 20... Right there. Still going? No, this one shuts up at 1 minute, right? Yeah. So 133. Beautiful 85 degrees. Yep. This one shut up at a minute. So I don't know. The other one shut up at 125. This one shuts up in a minute. So I guess I just have to... I don't know, man. Use the iPhone, I guess. Anyway. Yeah. I can't skateboard with that shit on my mind, you know. So anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Enjoy. Super Troy. Always. Thank you, Super Troy. Super Troy for the ice cream fun. Always. Keep on rolling, baby. Enjoy.